Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make Google Messages default messaging app on Samsung. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to change your default message app from Samsung messaging app to Google messaging app, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make Google Messages default messaging app on Samsung Galaxy phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. So scroll through the app menu, locate and click on settings to open it. On the settings page, scroll down and then click on apps. Once you selected apps, hang on for the apps page to open. Once it opens, locate and click on choose default apps. Now under choose default apps, you want to scroll down, locate SMS app and click on it. Then here you have either the Samsung messaging app or the Google messaging app. Now, to set your default messaging app to Google messaging app on your Samsung Galaxy phone, all you need to do is make sure you select the Google messaging app. So if you have the Samsung messaging app, select the Google messaging app and then you are good. Then hit the back button. Now, when next you want to send a message on your Samsung phone, it's going to use the Google messaging app just like this. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.